Shot out.
Where's that?
You want me to hit that BTR?
Splash over.
Roger, Splash experiencing technical difficulties with ASAP.
Yeah, roger that. Stand by.
Anyone see where that splash was?
Negative.
Looks like northwestern side, northwestern side of the compound. Roger, mate. Looks. Do you want me to sink a shot into that BTR bones while it's still stationary?
Wait one, mate.
Yeah, wait one. Just keep an eye out for the splash. Yeah, I'm not seeing this splash at all. Just to the right of the original splash, looks like it landed on the Heskels, or just around the Heskels, on the outer perimeter.
Yeah, saw it land on the northwest side of those Heskos.
Yeah, roger that, I'll just fire.
208.
Shot out.
Is that? Have you marked them up? The positions. Yeah, good hit. Good hit. Repeat.
108.
Most of the infantry went. Yeah, shot out.
Go on.
Most of the infantry went exterior during the first shelling, so they're all fanned out, and they actually went in the direction of the mortar shots.
Towards the shots.
If you see that big container outside the compound landed just by that.